That's worse than I thought. But it's not impossible. This is where we anchor the support beams. Look at the masonry here. We reinforce this section, then this will hold.
Time to tear this down. One more hit.
Almost there. Keep moving. Just a bit further. All right, let's get this done. Just a little more. There, got it. All right, that's better. Finally got that cleared out. Ooh, looks a lot cleaner in here now. All right, enough stalling. Ooh. Just a little bit more, then I can rest. Needs a little more water. Check the consistency now. Setting the first row of bricks on this side. Looks good. Yeah, steady progress now. All right, just like that. Let's get it set. All right, that one's solid. Time for the next. All right, 62.5 inches. Now for the height. Almost there. Try to switch? Yes. Time to seal this up. Just right. Good as new. All right, let's get this place looking good. Wow, look at that view. Beautiful. All right, time to move. Let's get these crates in. Watch the gear. Almost done here. Organize everything. Needed that. That tower's a lot of work. God, this is wet. Careful with that old plaster. I'm trying. It's really stuck. Time to get this opened up. There we go. What's under here? Almost ready. Just a bit more mixing. All right. That should do it. That's solid. Looks good. Ha. All right. Just a little higher. Almost there.
All right, just a few more good swings. There, perfect. All right, let's get this bracket secured. Perfect, that should hold.
All right, time to warm this place up. It's colder than a witch's. Well, you know,
Make sure to get it tight, boss. Don't want any drafts in this old castle. God, this is heavy. Just gotta get it in here. Watch the corner. Almost there. Oh!
I've got this first coat down on the seam. It's looking pretty good. All right, time to make this corner, right? Much better. All right, time to clear this mess up.
Wow, that's powerful.
Yeah, makes a big difference. All right, this is gonna take a while, but it's already looking better. A fresh coat changes everything. Looks perfect. Exactly what I was going for. All right, time to level this place out. This is gonna look great. All right, perfect fit. Just gotta press it down firmly now. Ooh, that's good. Moving on to the next one. All right, perfect fit.
That's a good cut.
Yeah, it'll cover that old chimney corner well. All right, just finishing up this section. Looking good. And just like that, the grout is wiped away. Perfect. All right, perfect. Just a couple more. Now, that's looking good. All right, black to brass, white to silver. Don't touch.
Oh,
Got it.
watch that spark.
Perfect. Now to tighten these up. Almost done. Time to get this wired up. Tighten, check, good to go. Almost got it. Just need to tighten this. Okay, now let's see. And there we go. All right, let's see if this works.
Wow.
And there we have it. Let there be light. Just a little kick. Finally. There we go.
All right, everything's here. Ready to start. All right, finally. That was a bigger job than I thought.
Looks like you earned your pay.
Definitely.
All right, just one last pass. Make it shine. All right, here it goes. Looks good.
Just need to smooth out this side.
Beautiful. Thanks. Almost there. Perfect. A little bit to the left. Perfect. Hold it right there.
Got it.
Perfect. Just like that.
Looks great, thanks.
Time for a break. These old books deserve a good spot. Yeah, they really tie the room together. Perfect view. All right, big fella. Let's get you looking sharp in your new home. Just a little polish to make you shine.
All right, these ought to do it. Just got to get them hooked right.
Oh, heavy buggers. There we go. Perfect. No light getting through that. Perfect. Let's see how this works. Ah, just right.
All right, time to move this beast. Just a little further. Perfect. Now to make it shine.
Smells amazing in here. Looking forward to this.
Almost there. Just a little further. Need a hand with that? No, I've got it.
Almost done. Perfect fit. Now for the wrench. Just the right amount of tightness. Finished. All right, time to make this perfect. Looking good, ready for a cozy night. Ah, these look much better. Much better. Perfect. Ready for a good night's rest. Perfect, just right. Perfect. Let's see how this feels. Oh, ah, that's exactly right. Let's hold it right there. Perfect. Looks good. Let's secure it. Nice work. It's solid. All right, perfect. Just in time for a warm evening. Looks fantastic. Perfect. Just what I needed.
Time to clear this. Almost there. Finally. Look at that.
Nice morning for it, isn't it? Perfect. This one will be beautiful right here.
Yeah.
Looks great already. Want some coffee?
Almost there. Perfect. What a beautiful evening.
Ah, finally. Looks perfect. Time for some outdoor dining. Perfect spot for it. Well, that's it. Mission accomplished.
Ah, that's better. Done for the day.
Time to call it a day.